Let's see the palindrome triangular topic today. So it means same forward and backward number. So we have here 1, also we have 2 2. We have one number in forward, we have 2 3, and backward we have 2 3. So 2 3 4 2 3 4. So we have that number, and then you can see here in row 1 we have, this is a row 1 2 3 4. So you can see here I is equal to the current row number. So you can see here we have spaces, in that spaces, as we have already done this type of questions where in spaces we always provide n minus I. So n is will be our 4 minus I will be our, how many row we have, 1, so 3. So this is, here we have a 3 spaces, here we have 2 spaces, here we have 1 spaces, here we have 0 spaces. So this is how it is work. So here we have to write 3 loop for which one. So here for the one for the rows, one for the spaces, one for the increasing, one for the decreasing. So it we will write a 4 loop altogether. So for increasing also we have to write, because from here you can see 1 2 1 2. So this is increasing and this is decreasing. 2 1 1 2 3, this is increasing. 3 2 1, this is 3 2, this is decreasing order. 4 3 2 decreasing. 1 2 3 4, this is increasing order. So let's see in our VS Code with the same logic we will do there. Okay, let's see our palindrome triangle which have a same forward and backward number. Now let's start our code. First we will see simply by running into the terminal, and then we will debug, run and debug, right? So let's start. First of all we will declare our variables I, j, k, and we are going to declare our values as well for n, which is 4, right? Why 3? Because I is for the rows, j is for increasing and decreasing, for the spaces and increasing order, decreasing order, and k is for increasing order. So we will start like that. So we have a for we are going to have a for loop. So for this is for the rows. So I is equal to the current row number. So first of all we will write I is equal to 1. I is less than or equal to n, then I incrementing I. So now let's see the another one. For we will see for the spaces. Now this is for spaces. I is for the rows, we have already written. Now it's for time for the spaces. So j is equal to I, j is equal to 1, and j is less than or equal to n minus I, because for spaces we have already discussed about how the spaces are working. So if n means 4 and I means row 1, then there it will be 3. So we have a 3 spaces in a first row. So this is how it is going to work. So j plus plus, here we will print our spaces for a double time, right? And now we will go for the decreasing order, because we have in this palindrome we have a decreasing order as well, increasing order as well. First of all we will print the decreasing order, which will be if j is equal to 2, if j is equal to I, in that case j should be less than or equal to 1, j minus minus, because we are going to decrement the value. So for that reason, so print, we have to separate the data type, and then after we'll print j, right? Now it's time for increasing order. For increasing order we will going to take k, and what we have in this palindrome is 1 is only appear one time, not repeated. That's why we are going to start from 2, because 2 is repeated every time except the first row. So we will start from k is equal to 2, k is less than or equal to I, then k plus plus, incremented the value and print f. Then we will write what? We will write our, we will separate the data type. Okay, we'll separate the data type and then write the k, because we are going to increment the value. At last we are going to end the line with backslash. And so let's see first of all in our terminal if it goes right or wrong. Okay, so what is our problem? So here we have we form a triangle, not a palindrome. So here we have one problem. Whenever there is like this problem, we have to give a space over here. I always forget it. So let's do it again. See, so why we have not start from 1? If I start from 1, there will be a double time 1, which will not be according to our palindrome, right? That's why I start from 2. So what if I start from 1? You can see there will be a duplications. There will be 2 1. See, there will be 2 1, which we don't want it. So we want it this one. So now let's debug it, how it is printed, and then after we will learn more. Right, so let's check it out. First of all, we declare the variable. Now it's time for, okay, now I is equal to the row number. So here you are. So I is equal to 1, which is a row number. J is for the spaces, this is for spaces, and minus 1. N means 4, minus 1, 3. So in row 1 there will be a 3 spaces, right? So 1, 2 and 3, there will be 3 spaces. Then it will move to the another for a decreasing, right, for decreasing, because 4 does not now we are going to have a decreasing order, because we have increasing and decreasing in a palindrome. So this is for a decreasing order. So first of all it will come 1, then after it will go into move into the k, and there will in k it is for the increasing, for increasing number we have put this one. Now in first row it print. Now it's time for second row. In second row also, how it is going to print? 2 minus 4, there will be 2 minus 4, there will be 2 spaces. So according to that it is going to work out. Now it's 2 time, then it will move into the j, and then after it will decrement it for decreasing number. For in row 2 what we have? 2 1 2, right? So it's going to be that, and then now again go for this increasing order for 2, and then it will break the line and then go into the row 3, right? And then again in row 3, 3 minus 4, there will be 1 spaces. It is for the spaces, right? Only 1 spaces, and it will go into the second it will go into third loop, which is for the decrement number. So in third row what we have? 3 2 1, 3 2, right? So 3 and 2, and then it will move into the next one, right? So 1 also it will come, because there is 1 also. 3 2 1. Now it's time for increment. So for increment we have 2 3. Now it will break the line, then it will go into the first line and again go into the fourth row, in a fourth row it will also check the same way. 4 minus 4 0, there will be 0 spaces, so it will, yeah, 0 spaces. It didn't, right, it didn't go into the spaces, it jump into the next, it jump into the next loop. So in that next loop we can see that we have a j here decrement in a decremental 4 3 2 1, 4 3 2 1, right. Now we will move into the k for incrementation. So we already have one print up to 4 3 2 1. Now it's time for 2 3 4, 2 3 4. Now it's time to move into next line. Again it will go and check if it's again another number. It's not, then it will came out of the loop, and then we have our palindrome triangular. So this is how it is worked.